say 24-inch. 2010.
Camila, nunca te acerques tanto aquí, por favor. Sube, sube. Agárrate de las velas, por favor. Gracias. Ay, pero huele fatal la marihuana, güey.
Thank you. So on board EKL2 LY24 EKU on the 255 to Balham. This bus recently entered in service early of February, or end of January, early February. These seats, they're also as the same thing as the electroliners, but these seats, yeah, if you can see, this reminds me back of the 1990s of the DLAs, isn't it, Jamal?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
In terms of the seating, yeah.
Yeah.
Seat shape, as you can see. Yeah.
I don't like, to be honest though, I don't like the wooden floor. I prefer the Arriva floor.
Yeah. It's the wooden floor you get in your house.
Yeah, it's like if you're having a house bus.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All the wooden
So let me know in the comments which flooring do you prefer, the original Arriva one or the wooden floor ones. For me, I prefer the Arriva flooring because wooden flooring tells if you live on the bus, like if you own a house, like if you live on the bus. That's a funny thing for me to say. So this bus was initially built last year, 2024, but now was introduced to this route early February 2025, so it's a year old, but it still looks new.
Stratton Station.
Hopefully you don't get packed.
Yeah, it's after 3 o'clock, so all the school kids are shut out.
Yeah.
To be honest, I never travel, I never like to travel with school kids around. Because it's always chaos. Because after rush hour, like when all school kids comes out, it's always chaos.
I prefer going out on Saturdays sometimes.
Yeah, weekends. Well, normally weekends.
School kids.
There will be some teenagers around. They always, because some of them they just go chaos. I know sometimes the bus gets vandalised by idiots. Yeah.
To Balham.
Since I went on Metroline's GB Kites one, has the same interior but different seating. The Metroline ones, they have like a cushion at the top, but Arriva doesn't in London. There are outside London, Arriva do have the cushionings at the top, the cushioning. You see, if you look at the top of the seating that Metroline has, it had a cushion on top, which is really nice. It's like if you're travelling on Arriva Sapphire ones, Brighton Hove buses with street decks, and the newer Enviro 400 MMCs. Mind you, go ahead now, and now has a cushion on the top of the seating, so very nice. So there'll be more GB Kites introduced into this route, and it will replace the existing Enviro 100s. They're likely to get withdrawn.
Wow, Matthew went blue water.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah. It's good for the shopping centre though. When you go there for a day out, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's literally. You been there?
What's your name again? Miles. Miles. I'm Sam.
Kevin, you don't remember that. Look at these.
I don't remember this because I was younger. I mean, I've seen pictures of it.
Yeah, I've seen
Yeah.
pictures.
It was 1988.
Was that the Metro bus?
Yeah.
MCW? Or Olympians.
Man. Before
Yeah.
our times, man. You weren't even born then. Yeah. I mean, bus designs from 1998 and early 2000s got better. We were born at the right time when buses got better.
Me, I was born in 2003.
Yeah.
So was I.
Born 1999, 1 year after the Stairs in the Middle came out, so yeah.
Anyway guys, this will conclude of today's video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Just in time. Buses on.
Please like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the thoughts of this video of the GB Kites, which you do prefer, these buses or the proper older Enviro 100s. To be honest though, it'll be shame for the Enviro 100s to be withdrawn soon. Anyway guys, thank you very much. Stay safe if you're out and about, and goodbye for now.
Avenue.